Hey planners, it's Tay of ShawntePlans and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be planning the week of July 20th to the 26th and using the Summer Love Kit from Crafts by Thaowie. This kit is foiled with rose gold foil and it's printed on premium matte paper. These are the 8 full boxes. On this page, we have the gorgeous bottom washi and date covers as well as some single bow headers. This page we've got our half boxes, some page flags, some long and short page flags, as well as some cut washi here. And on this page we've got scripts, some more headers, and these are printed headers, as well as sidebar stickers, including habit trackers, a cleaning tracker, and then this is like a weekly tracker, but it doesn't have the weeks on here, so you could use this in either way actually, which is really nice because you can use it as a Monday through Sunday tracker or just as like a checklist, however you want to do it. And then we've got some scalloped quarter boxes here, which is a really cute detail, icons, and our weekend banner down at the bottom here. So very excited to get started planning with this kit. If you would like to see how this spread turns out, please just keep watching.
Okay, so first things first, it has now been a couple weeks since I actually filmed this video to now be doing this voiceover. It is August 1st. Happy National Planner Day, which is super cool. I did not even know we had a National Planner Day, but that's awesome. And I am backed up on doing these voiceovers because I'm in my the last 2 weeks have been the last couple weeks of school for me. And finishing up, this is my last weekend of having to do homework, guys. I don't even know how to say how happy and excited I am about that, but I am thrilled. So let's get into this spread. I placed down the bottom washi and I am moving on to my date covers. I'm using some different date dots this week. I usually use the ones from Rose Colored Days, but I had these adorable bow date dots from Planning Like a Pro, and I thought they fit the whole vibe of this kit really well. And so I decided to go with those, putting my date covers down, and then I'm going to get started on my sidebar. I'm starting with one of those bowstrung boxes from the Giving Girl, which I am so obsessed with those boxes. They are entirely too adorable. I put down a July script from Rose Colored Days, and then I'm going to add the full box with the little girl and her bicycle. I don't know what it is about bicycles in kits. I always love kits that have bicycles in them. It's so cool. I layered a decorative divider from Netty Designs on top of the full box, and I love the effect that added. And now I'm just going to start building the different sections of my sidebar. I want to use the weekly tracker to mark my dinners for the week, and then I'm going to add in this weekly cleaning box that Crafts by Thaowie always includes in her kits. And so I ended up cutting that in half just so that I would have room to include my habit trackers for the week as well, which is also fine because let's be honest, I wasn't going to do more than those 3 things on that list anyways. So that worked out. And then I put down the 2 habit trackers from the kit. All of these scripts that I'm using in my sidebar are from Sticky Sloth Designs, and they are her custom scripts, which are fantastic. You can choose the font that you want and choose what you want the word to say. Then I also decided to add a cute little cutlery icon from Paper Muse Crafts on top of the dinner script. Moving into our day by day, I started off Monday by putting down a rose header from Pandabird Design, and then I'm also adding a half scallop from Pandabird Design. The little house I layered on top of there was from the Giving Girl, marking that it was week 18 of working from home for me. Then I put down a half box from the kit to mark catching up on emails and doing some stuff for work. Then started putting down the full boxes for Monday through Wednesday, and just decided to scatter those throughout the days. And then I put down one of those bow flourishes from Rose Colored Days as a divider. Then I'm putting down a page flag from the kit and using a school script from Sticky Sloth Design, just marking that I needed to do my discussion post replies. And then I am going to do a little bit of layering here. I put down one of the washi strips from the kit, added one of these little fancy boxes from Sweet Bella XOXO. That is not the actual name of those boxes. It's just what I call them. I added that cute little floral, is actually from my freebie with Pandabird Design. And then I used an icon from Crafts by Thaowie, and that was just to mark the podcast that I listen to. They upload new episodes on Mondays. Moving over to Tuesday, I put down a half box. That laptop is from the Pretty Pink Co. And just marking some things I wanted to focus on for work that day. Using a half scallop box from Pandabird Design, and the little headphones are from Tassel Planner. Her shop is closed now. If I find another shop that has some cute headphones, I'll make sure to get those and start using those in upcoming videos, because I've been on the lookout for some headphones to use because I like marking music, because I listen to a lot of music throughout the week. And so I'm on the hunt for some headphones from a shop that's actually open. Underneath there, I've marked a planning session using the planner icon and that script are both from the kit. Used a divider from Netty Designs, and then that quarter box is from Pandabird Designs, just to mark some reading that I needed to do for school. Oh my goodness. And then at the bottom, I'm using that TV icon from Paper Muse Crafts. I got my husband a TV for his birthday, which if you were watching my videos, you know, I was trying to surprise my husband for his birthday, which is difficult to do because we share an Amazon account and Amazon is just so easy and efficient. But I ended up buying him like one of those BlendJet blenders, which was not, I didn't buy it through Amazon. So I was able to surprise him with that because he likes having like smoothies, protein smoothies and things after his workouts. And so I thought this will be really great because he can have just sort of like an individual like little blender. But then I also just figured, you know what, because the other thing I wanted to buy him, he had already bought for himself. And I was just like, you know what, I quit. So I just asked him, what do you actually want for your birthday? We're done with the whole surprise thing. And so he told me he wanted a TV, and I was like, perfect, done. But then I also had no intention of trying to figure out what type of TV he wanted. I was like, dude, just put it in the Amazon cart and I'll finish the checkout, and that will be me gifting you for your birthday. So that's how that happened. And then we got the TV, unboxed the thing, set it up, turned it on, and it was broken. And I was just like, seriously? That was a lot of work. for it to, and you can't even tell it was broken from the outside. You had to like turn on that TV to see that it was broken. So you had to call Amazon and set up an exchange for that. And I was just like, well, so much for that birthday gift. Anyways, I have now talked completely over Wednesday. And on Wednesday, I marked my midweek post. That Instagram icon is from Netty Designs. Used a third box from Pandabird Design to mark some stuff for work. Did a little bit of layering with a page flag, and then a half scallop from Pandabird Design, and then that desk icon from GP Studio. And let's move on to where we're at right now, because I can't even, I'm not even looking at what happened on Wednesday anymore. But anyways, Thursday through Sunday, started scattering my full boxes for the second half of the week. I decided to put my double full box for this week across Wednesday and Thursday, which was a lot of fun. Sometimes I like splitting up the double full box across the coil. At the top of Thursday, oh God, it was such a busy work day. I had so many things I wanted to get done. So I've just made a list of everything I wanted to focus on that day to keep myself on task. In that half box underneath there, I used a washi strip, another one of those little fancy boxes from Sweet Bella XOXO to mark doing some, I wrote discussion question replies, and that should not be replies, that should be posts. Wow, I can see where my brain was at that day. Fried from doing homework. Anyways, I used those headphones again to mark that I was listening to the Hamilton soundtrack, which I've been listening to on and off ever since I watched that movie. I love the music from that soundtrack. And I keep calling it a movie. It's a play, but I only got a chance to see it as a movie on Disney Plus, so I refer to it as a movie. And then I marked filming a plan with me using a tripod icon from Artbox Stickers, and that film plan with me script is from Letters to Apollo on to Friday. And again, started off the day actually using a half box to mark some things I needed to do for work. Used the cute little laundry icon that came in the kit to mark washing clothes. And it's so funny. I feel like I've been reaching for laundry icons the last couple of spreads and haven't had a laundry icon. So it was so great that this kit actually had a laundry icon in it. And I also, note to self, need to buy some more laundry icons. I used a cute little squiggle flourish, which also came off of my freebie from Pandabird Design. I'm way too excited about that freebie, you guys, because it is so cute and so functional for me. But forgive me for my excitement. This was my first chance to actually get a chance to use it. So I was just beyond excited and just way too happy about it, which is why underneath that squiggle, that flower is also for my freebie. I did a little layering to mark replying to YouTube comments, and then used a half box to mark that the giveaway that I was doing for the Summer Planner collab closed that Friday. On to Saturday, I started by cleaning up the kitchen. The icon that I'm using is from Sticky Bow Babies, and underneath the full box on Saturday, I'm placing these little scallop corners from Sadie's stickers. I'm going to layer another one of those TV icons from Paper Muse Crafts. This was the day they delivered the new TV, which works perfectly and is wonderful. However, they were supposed to take the broken one. I specifically asked for that when I talked to the lady, when I called Amazon and said, hey, when they bring me the new one, they're going to take the busted one, right? And she was like, yeah, that's exactly what they're going to do. And you know what exactly they did not do? They did not take the busted one. It's still sitting in my house. So then I had to call Amazon again and schedule them picking up the busted one because the delivery guy didn't have it on his route. So the TV saga continues. Underneath there, I used the third box to mark painting my nails, and I used the nail polish icon from the kit. I'm using a study icon from the GP Studio, and at the bottom, which was actually the first thing I marked on Saturday, I used a scallop half box from Pandabird Design to mark that my husband and I watched Endgame because we had a new functioning TV. And of course, the first thing we wanted to watch on the TV was Endgame because we are Avengers nuts and comic book movie addicts. So that was fun. To Sunday, I announced the winner of my giveaway of the Summer Planner collab. Underneath there, I used a Bowstrong box to mark that it was my friend Tiffany, who is Tiff's Planet. It was her birthday on Sunday. And then I basically did homework on the rest of Sunday. Oh my God, I had like a massive exam that took it was like 3.5, 4 hours. And so that was Sunday, and then I'm just going to use a page flag and a skincare icon from the Pretty Pink Co. Just to mark skincare and finishing off my Sunday, because after I was done with that test, y'all, trust me, I just wanted to relax. And that completes this spread. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're having an amazing day. See you next video. Bye.